God, I'm doing great. And who's this?
Brent.
Bryn. Bryn who?
Brent Binyat.
Oh, Bryn Binyat. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
We do the full gamut as far as infertility is concerned, and I like to refer to what we do as help young couples realize their dreams of having a family.
This is our miracle baby. This is Bryn, and Bryn is 7 years old.
We do everything from the basic diagnosis and evaluation of couples to the advanced treatment of fertility issues, to in vitro fertilization, severe male factor treatments, even the more advanced technology of microarray, pre-implantation genetic diagnosis, and etc.
I was diagnosed with diminished ovarian reserve, meaning I did not have a lot of eggs left, and the quality of the eggs that I did have left were not very good.
For those patients that have to undergo vitro fertilization, we're able to biopsy their embryo on day 3, but instead of doing the older methodology of what we refer to as FISH, we can do a new method where clinical preliminary data is showing that we're almost doubling the pregnancy rates in this subgroup of women. It's very exciting.
He made me feel that there was light at the end of the tunnel, and he and his staff made the pain of infertility a little less painful.
I think there's a lot of advantages to having the IVF program here within a respected hospital system like Texas Health Resources. It's safe. I've gotten spoiled. It's almost a security net, if you will, and it's done first class.
I had heard great things about the Plano Presby Arts Program, and in doing my own research, I learned that having a great arts program is half the battle.
I'm very blessed. I have a staff that's been with me for many years. It is a very warm situation. Everybody's been here for a while, quite a while. And I guess I said myself, even doing IVF since '87. So we've got a lot of experience in this regard.
To this day, I mean 7 years later, I still think about him constantly and am forever indebted to him, and feel that if every doctor could be like Dr. Rod, this world would be great.